Hi guys, just decided to unpack my new Reebok delivery. By the way, they have huge discounts, and you know me, I enjoy discounts, and I have two kids, and who are quickly growing up. And as you can imagine, I have to change clothes and shoes regularly. So this is the time when I have to had to look for something else for them in terms of sneakers. And I remember that back in autumn, I found quite a good quality and low priced bargain items on their website, Reebok website. And this is why I decided to check it out now. And thank God I was able to find quite nice items there for reasonable price, under 20 euros, well, 20 to $23 under. So it was about 15 or 19 euros for pair of like sneakers there. So let me show you what I found and what I bought. It's a completely new box just delivered. So we're gonna be opening it together with you, and you will see all my reactions. Well, it's for my kids, so hopefully, I'm sure that many moms have the same thing. You sort of care. It shouldn't be like this. My friend always tells me that it shouldn't be like this. It should be the other way around. But as a mother, I sort of pay more attention to their stuff and to their clothes and shoes, and I sort of stress about it more than about myself. And well, there are different points of views on that subject. Some of them, there are many memes and jokes about it on the internet. When there's like a scene from the movie like Wolf from Wall Street, when Leonardo DiCaprio is like doing like this on the page, on the picture. And there was a joke there that like I do like this when it comes to my kids, and I do like this when it comes to myself. So you just spend everything you have, like majority of what you have, on your kids, but then when it comes to yourself, you just try to save as much as possible. Well, in terms of, well, I'm a woman, so they say that probably I should change the focus, because especially I have two daughters, they're looking at myself, so I have to take care of myself as well. So I'm trying, but still, this is the delivery, and we have about 3 pairs of sneakers here. And what did I buy for myself? Just socks. So let's open it together. Ooh, completely new box basically. So I haven't opened it. So yeah, I'm quite nervous. Whoa! What I like about Reebok in this case, because back in autumn I bought some shoes for myself, and it's really of a good quality. I wasn't expecting it from Reebok, first of all, because, well, I like the brand, as you can see. This one is 7 years old already. I wear it like every day. Oh, well, not every day, but almost everywhere. I travel in it. I, do everyday things in it for 7 years. I'm not wearing it every day, have to be honest, but it's quite universal, because you can use it as a jacket if your look is suitable, and it's quite warm, it's quite nice, and it gives shape. On the other hand, I have to say that, well, it's quite a long talk. So I have to say that shoes exceeded my expectation this year. But I ordered a t-shirt and leggings for my yoga class, and I have to say that it slightly disappointed me. It wasn't expensive. It was bought in outlet or on sale as well. But if I paid the full price, I'd probably return it, because after the first wash of my t-shirt and leggings, both lost colors, and when I was drying it outside, it became pale. So the side which was facing the sun became paler than the other side, the opposite one, and it's not, I can't even it out. So this is why I'm not sure about recommending Reebok cloths, but at the same time cloths, but shoes are nice. At least what I experienced back in autumn. According to what I see, The package is nice, so I didn't, both times I didn't see any problems with the actual package. It wasn't ruined, it wasn't cut, it wasn't, it was nice. Look at it. The first pair of shoes is like this. So as you can see, the actual package is almost ideal. So it's not damaged in any way. So the package is nice. Look at that. I think it's the ones which I actually, oops, I'm sorry for that, which I actually bought for my daughter. Oh, nice. Look at that. To go to school. Sport classes. Wow, I like it. I actually like it. And what I like for a kid is when you have this one, instead of having to tie your shoes every single time. It may be a problem for a kid, especially when you are rushing to school or you have no time or limited time. So those ones are quite convenient. Let's just hope that this one will last long. Let's see. We'll see. But overall, these are nice, and I guess this is the 34. She's currently wearing 33, but even if it's a bit bigger, it's better than if it was smaller than needed. As you can see, I will show you the sole here. It's nice. I guess it's not orthopedic, but it's not bad. It's not as flat as it can be, and as I'm sure you all know, that flat shoes are bad for the feet. So this is the one. It's nicely packaged. As you can see, everything is nice and completely new with the paper inside and the tag. Yeah, so I really like it. It's as they say, 34 in Europe. It's equals to size 3 in States and 2.5 in the United Kingdom. So this is how they look like. I like it even more than in the picture, even though I selected based on the picture. So let's see. And it's supposed to be quite easy to wash, and which is quite essential when you have kids. Yeah, so I like it. Quite like it. Let's see what else do we have. Another pair. And the package here is also like new. Like if you were selling boxes, I'd probably be able to sell this box because it's untouchable. I mean, it seems to be straight from the factory. And wow, I like it as well. These are like sneakers of the same size. Let me see if it is the same size. Yeah, it's the same size. So I actually bought it for my elder daughter, like for the everyday life. Look at that. These are quite nice. Well, she can't do those, so it shouldn't be a huge problem, but it's glittery. It goes well with dresses as well as trousers and jeans. Look at that. No scratches, nothing. It's a completely new pair of shoes. I like in some shops when you try the size who somebody else may have worn or tried a few times, and you can actually see the signs of wearing. Those are just, I'm telling you, I feel like those shoes as well as previous pair came from the factory straight away. It's really nice, really nice inside. It's nice and clean. Everything is done. I think yeah, she will like it. She's at school now, but I hope that she will. And let me double check the price, but I will show you exactly. There was no price, but I remember that previous ones were with the discount were about 17 euros, and those were closer to 20, like 19 something. But with discount, original price is like maybe twice as big. So this is the sneakers that I really love because we will definitely use it a lot, and I just hope that it will last. Something tells me that it will, so I'm actually not disappointed by those pairs of shoes. Well, I really like it, and I consider myself lucky because I found sizes, because as you can probably imagine, when those sales are out, people are, well, paying attention to that, and there may be some issues with sizes, so it's not as easy to find sizes which you actually need. So in my case, I was lucky. You can see Reebok is here and the logo is here. Not sure about, you know, those I will be able to put in the washing machine. It will be, the pair will be completely fine. I did the same with mine, which I bought in autumn. I washed it a few times already, and I just dried it out, by the way, and it's like new basically after 2 or 3 times in a washing machine already. Those I won't be able to put in the washing machine, obviously, but I have a special like liquid which cleans this white stuff quite quickly and effectively. So these I like as well. And the third pair of shoes I bought for my smaller daughter. She wears 24th size. Let me show you what I bought. It's not as pinky. Oh, but I like it as well. Look at that. These are small. These are nice. These are really light, and all lines are made quite nice. It's a good quality. I don't see glue anywhere. I don't see anything that I would be disappointed with. And as usual, the package is really nice, clean, almost like untouched. And this is the second one. And what I was actually concerned about is those, yeah. But here we have a special system where the kid doesn't have to tie it. It's sort of linked to this part of the shoe. So all she will have to do is just slip in the shoes, basically. I like it. It's not as gray. Also, it will go with pink clothes, with green clothes, well, with gray, obviously. I like it. It's so light. It's really light. And inside, you can see that it's done quite nicely as well. This is it's actually 24.5. And it's a good thing that I bought slightly bigger, because I think that her feet is growing quite quickly. Yeah, I'll probably go and try it out now. Oh, and socks for myself. Let me see. Something for myself. 3 pairs of shoes for my kids and just socks for myself. At least something. Let's check how the socks. So I definitely recommend to go and check the Reebok site out for the kids' shoes, at least. I'm not sure if there are many pairs and sizes which are left, but go and check if you need any shoes for kids or for yourself as well. Not that excited about the cloths nowadays. I bought this one 7 years ago, and I'm impressed. But what I bought recently, as I said, t-shirt, like a jacket like this as well, and leggings. Not so impressed, to be honest. But shoes, these are ideal, especially for the price that you pay, if it's on sale. Well, Reebok in general, it's not the most expensive sport brand, I guess. So even for full price, you can find quite decent shoes. But especially on sale, when it's 50% discount, and then they add 20. Well, by the way, in my case, it was about from 30 to 50% discount. But if you buy, if the whole sum is more than, let me see, it's more than 25 euros, I guess, you get free delivery. And if you buy more, the overall price is more than 45 euros, as far as I remember, you get 20% additional off the price, discounted price. So in some cases, it was about 70% discount, which is nice. Yeah, so these are the socks, full price socks. But anyway, it costs 6 euros, I guess, for 3 pairs, which is nice. And socks I really like. These are soft, You have support in the middle of your feet, and it's short, so it goes with majority of sneakers. It's not visible basically. If you don't like, as you can see, it has support of your feet. It breathes, and I like the feeling. It's quite soft, and colors are quite nice. So these are universal and practical. These are when I want something bright. So overall, I'm really impressed with this delivery, and thank you, Reebok brand. As a mom, I have to say thank you for your shoes and for your sales. Guys, so if you like it, well, definitely go and check it out, Reebok website, for the current sales. You will, I'm sure that you will definitely find something for yourself as well, for your kids, for yourself, for as a present for somebody maybe. And please like, dislike, comment, and subscribe. I'm actually doing it for you, just to share the information, because as a mom, the information is it's priceless. So bye bye. Have a great day, guys.